Birger. Welcome to the tutorial for Namlos. I created this move about 3 or 4 years ago. It's quite an old move. And this will be the more advanced version with more packets, more stuff going on. It will look cooler. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so for this move, you want to start with the deck face up. You want to place your pinky in this corner and you use your left thumb in the opposite corner. With your ring finger, you're going to spin this to the top like this. Here you use your index finger to strip off one card, like so. Now you want to move your right hand like this so that this packet rotates. Here you want to use your left ring finger and reach all the way up here to the short edge and split this packet into two. This should now flip into your right hand. At this point, you want to re-grip this single card so that you hold it with your middle finger instead. Your index should go on the face of this packet. So now, this packet in the middle, you want to grip it between your thumb and index finger and move it all the way here. Here, you want to use your index finger and strip off one card. And this is where the display comes in. So when you're at this point, you want to pinch and remove one more card. And at this point, you use your index finger, just push off a single here, and this will create the display. So you turn your palms to your audience or spectator or camera. Now for the close, you basically want to reverse this motion. Go back, you go back. The single card with your index goes back. These two packets close on top of each other. And from here, I flip everything to the top, pinching this single card with my ring and middle finger. And I just flip it to the top, like so. If you want to try out a simpler version of Namlos, you can click the link up here. It's a video on my channel which teaches, as I said, the simpler version. You can, while you're at it, go check out my Instagram. It's @Birger_K. Or hit me up on Facebook if you want anything. And yeah, hope you have a nice day.